So, we finally meet. Today, we settle this man to man. Okay. Why don't we make this a fist fight? Why hide behind weapons? The true warrior is known by his strength, not his tools. So, why don't we lower our weapons and do this with honor? Like this. See emotional blackmail. He's saying our honor. Honor me. Honor setali. Onomatopia. Ogbono.